Welcome to the hidden gem of the Low Country, Ashley River Park, located right here in Dorchester County. This 85-acre sanctuary officially opened its gates in the spring of 2022. It has quickly become a favorite escape for the locals. At the heart of the park sits the Ashley River Pavilion. This isn't just a shelter, it's a stunning piece of low country architecture designed for community and celebration. With capacity for 200 guests, it serves as the backdrop for weddings, family reunions, and county events. It perfectly bridges the gap between rustic outdoors and modern comfort, anchoring the park's landscape. Arguably the park's centerpiece, a 4-acre freshwater fishing pond stocked with bass brim and catfish, offering a quiet moment for anglers on the two scenic walking docks. If you look closely, you can see the local wildlife is already at home here. Egrets and herons are a common sight here, gliding over the water to find their morning perch. This level of quality doesn't come cheap. This entire 85-acre project, from the impressive pavilion to the state-of-the-art playground, represents a $13 million investment by Dorchester County, primarily funded through voter-approved bonds. But the real energy of Ashley River Park is right here. This is one of the most extensive playgrounds in the region. It's not just a swing set, it's an adventure hub featuring zip lines, climbing structures, and a splash pad for the hot summer days. Designed to be inclusive and engaging for kids of all ages, the equipment is massive. You can see the attention to detail. A space built for imagination, so families can easily spend an entire afternoon letting the kids run free. The playground is divided into distinct zones for different ages, from toddlers to older kids. This scenic dock connects to the 1.5-mile walking trail for those looking to explore beyond the manicured lawns. Down this walking path you'll find the kayak launch, situated right on the banks of the Ashley River. This spot connects paddlers to the Ashley River Blue Trail, a scenic waterway route that lets you see South Carolina's history from a different perspective. It's an easy carry-down launch, making it accessible for anyone willing to trade their walking shoes for a paddle. Whether you're coming for a quiet morning fish, a paddle on the river, or a full day of family play, it all starts here at the gatehouse located at 200 Renken Road in Summerville. The park is open from the dawn until dusk, with the $2 admission fee that goes right back into maintaining these beautiful grounds. Ashley River Park is truly the new standard for outdoor family fun and adventure in Dorchester County. We hope to see you out here soon.